Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bread maker machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics Programmable Bread Maker. This budget-friendly machine comes in at just $67.49, making it the most affordable option on the list. But don't let its price fool you. It packs a surprising punch for casual bread-making enthusiasts. Featuring 14 settings, including options for gluten-free bread, doughs, and even jams, it's versatile enough to meet basic baking needs. Plus, the Express Bake function whips up a loaf in under 90 minutes, perfect for those in a curry. Design-wise, the Amazon Basics Bread Maker is compact and lightweight, weighing only 8 pounds. Its simple black finish fits seamlessly into most kitchen spaces. While the non-stick pan makes cleaning a breeze, the unit's construction feels slightly less durable than higher-priced models. Performance-wise, it produces decent bread but may struggle with more complex recipes or heavier doughs. This bread maker is ideal for beginners or anyone looking for a no-frills, entry-level option. The price is unbeatable, but keep in mind it lacks some advanced features and may not satisfy more experienced bakers. Overall, it's a great starting point for anyone dipping their toes into homemade bread making. At number 4, we have the Elite Gourmet EBM 8103SS Programmable Bread Maker, priced at $70. This model is a step up from the Amazon Basics option, offering 19 preset menu functions that allow you to bake everything from basic white bread to pizza dough, gluten-free recipes, and even rye bread. It features 3 loaf size options, 1 pound, 1.5 pound, and 2 pound, making it suitable for both solo bakers and larger families. The design is sleek and modern, with a stainless steel body that adds a premium feel to this budget-friendly machine. At just under 11 pounds, it's slightly heavier, but still compact enough to fit most countertops. The 15-hour delay timer and 60-minute keep warm function offer excellent convenience for busy schedules. However, some users have noted that the non-stick pan could be more durable, and the kneading paddle occasionally leaves larger holes in the finished loaf. This bread maker is perfect for those who want a bit more versatility without breaking the bank. Its performance is reliable, producing evenly baked bread with a good texture. While it's not the quietest machine, the value for money is hard to beat, especially for such a wide range of menu options. Coming in at number 3 is the OCOTO 2LB Bread Maker Machine, priced at $99.99. This stainless steel bread maker is designed with beginners in mind, offering 17 customizable programs that include options for whole wheat bread, gluten-free recipes, yogurt, cakes, and even jam. Its large 2-pound capacity makes it suitable for families or gatherings, and it features 3 loaf size options and 3 crust settings, allowing for full customization. The design is both functional and stylish, with a brushed stainless steel finish that resists smudges and fingerprints. At 11.68 pounds, it feels sturdy and well-built, and its quiet operation at just 50 decibels is a standout feature. The 600-watt motor ensures efficient kneading and even baking, while the 15-hour delay timer is perfect for busy professionals. However, the non-stick pan, while easy to clean, may require careful handling to avoid scratches. This bread maker is ideal for those who want great versatility without stepping into the premium price range. It performs exceptionally well for both basic and advanced recipes, offering a smooth user experience. While the learning curve for its numerous settings might be slightly steep, the results are consistently impressive, making it a fantastic mid-range option. At number 2, we have the Quezinart Bread Maker Machine, CBK 110 NAS, priced at $109.99. Known for its compact design and reliable performance, this machine is perfect for kitchens with limited counter space. It offers 12 pre-programmed menu options and the ability to select from 3 crust shades, light, medium, or dark, making it easy to customize your bread. Cuisinart's advanced technology ensures superior crust, color, and texture with every bake. The design is vertical and counter-friendly, featuring a removable kneading paddle and bread pan for quick cleanup. At just 10 pounds, it's lightweight but feels sturdy. The viewing window and interior light are convenient for monitoring your bread's progress, while the hand wash-only components might be a minor inconvenience for some users. Performance-wise, it bakes evenly and reliably, but the limited menu options may not satisfy those looking for more versatility. This bread maker is perfect for users who value simplicity and quality. It's an excellent choice for anyone who wants consistent results without overwhelming choices. The slightly higher price reflects its durability and build quality, making it a great investment for avid home bakers. And finally, at number 1, we have the Zojirushi BBPDC 20BA Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker, priced at $399.99. This premium bread maker is the gold standard for serious bakers, offering exceptional performance and a range of advanced features. It includes various healthy course settings, such as multigrain, gluten-free, sugar-free, and vegan options, along with rapid settings for white and whole wheat bread. The dual kneading blades and dual heaters ensure perfectly kneaded dough and evenly browned loaves every time. The design is sleek and professional, with a stainless steel and black finish. At 24 pounds, it's the heaviest option on the list, reflecting its robust build quality. The large LCD display and convenient key code on the lid make navigation simple, while the 700-watt motor ensures efficient baking. The only downsides are the high price and its bulkier size, which may not suit smaller kitchens. This bread maker is ideal for advanced users and anyone who demands top-tier quality. While the price is steep, the performance and durability make it worth every penny. If you're serious about your bread-making game, the Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.